Hi everyone. Let me start this off by saying in my last video I created the templates for the American Red Cross and the severe weather, and I made the severe weather one extremely um, outlandishly non-possible, I guess, completely out of any realm of happening. So I hope if we have 10,000 mile an hour winds, I don't think you're going to care what this video is about. So I want to preface this by saying that I'm not mocking severe weather reports or the NWS or anything like that, and I am definitely not mocking the American Red Cross. But my philosophy on this is if I can't have a little bit of fun while I'm teaching you how to do something important, then I shouldn't be teaching. Okay? So most of the time I will poke fun at myself. So that's partially the whole send cookies, don't send cookies thing at the bottom in the comments. You know, who doesn't like cookies? Anyways, I made the comment about how the templates show up with if you send them to somebody outside of the email Winlink system. So you can't see it, but I'm going into Outlook and I'm searching for emails that I've sent. So, let's see. Nope, that's not it. I did that on Tuesdays. Looking for an older one. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to open this one up. Alright, so this is what, if you do not have these set as PDF checked, this is what your recipient outside will get. They will get an email, and it will have the text version of everything. Perfect. They'll have the form data. And if you're in Outlook, you can preview that. Perfect. Everything's great. So, they will also get this XML file. You go to preview it, and it looks like a regular XML file, but it really isn't useful, right? Right. So, they double click it thinking, hey, I can open this. So, they tell it to open it. And, all right, we'll use that because why not? So, I'll just say just once. It opens up, and you get this, and it tells you this right here. This XML file does not appear to have any style information associated with it. The document tree is shown below. That's because it has to have Winlink Express to actually generate an XML file that's useful. What it should look like is the template. Now, if you set it up to where it generates your PDF, which is what we've been doing, I'll show you the severe weather report one. So you get the information there. They get the text like you got before, and it previews, not a problem. They also get a PDF that they can either preview if they have it set up in Outlook, and there's the template. So, this first report, I reported it, my phone number that you'll never get, my email address, where I'm at, minor street flooding, 4.5 inches hail, 10,000 mile an hour winds, tornado, wall cloud. I didn't put any damage. Well, I did. Everything's gone. No snow, but there was 12 inches of rain in an hour. Everything's gone. Send more cookies. I'll pick them up when I land, when the 10,000 mile an hour winds let me land. And then if you haven't figured it out, I'm doing a demonstration from Winlink series of videos. So this is why you have to do it as PDF. I also sent a shelter report. So this is what the Red Cross people will get if you send it out to them. So they get the information. Okay. If they preview the PDF or they open the PDF, there is their shelter report form all filled out. Okay. So one thing to note, my forms automatically get updated because I selected it that way, but you may have to update. If you have the option of updating Winlink Express and or updating just the standard forms, update the standard forms every single time it prompts you. The reason you need to do that is because the Red Cross is changing these forms. So the Red Cross is working with the Winlink group on how they want the form to look. They are constantly changing it, so you want to make sure that you are the most current as you can possibly be. The ICS forms, they are generic. They don't change. It's the government. Other forms may change or may be added or deleted as cases go. But you want to make sure that at the very least your forms are current as every time you open this. So that's all I'm going to do for this video. I just wanted to show you what it will look like when they receive it. If they receive it in Winlink itself, let's see if I can get one of these to open. Okay, so if I receive it in my inbox, as soon as I open the email, it will open up the attachment. But if I open the attachment, there it is. So it's the exact same thing they saw as a PDF. What checking that PDF thing is doing for you is this. It is saving you doing this, save as PDF, clicking save, and daily shelter report, and clicking save, and having it generate the PDF for you. It's doing all that for you. So, there you go.